felt like you're on a treasure hunt, but instead of doing building inspections, you're looking for fire alarms and extinguishers? Say goodbye to these endless searches. InMapz shows you exactly where everything is marked and located on the map. Think of it as your digital X marks the spot. Like to plan ahead? You can even schedule inspection dates right on the app. When it's time to schedule, InMapz can give you a nudge and then you can coordinate effortlessly. Still stuck in the paper age? Upgrade your game with InMapz. You can record inspection data just by snapping a photo or scanning a QR code. No paper, no fuss. What's that? You need proof of inspection? Your photos and QR scans serve as your digital paper trail, automatically stored and easy to retrieve. So, ready to make your inspections smoother, smarter, and way more efficient? Then come on board the InMapz train. Your future self will thank you.